It's fun to draw a cute owl step by step. First, let's start with a big head. Just like that. Next, draw a small beak that's low on the face. And add eyes by drawing rounded triangles. This is for all those who requested an owl. To request a character or animal, just comment below or on my channel. If I haven't drawn your request already, just keep commenting. You never know when I might draw yours. And if you need to, you can always pause this video or watch this as many times as you want. There's the other eye. Shade it in a bit. And add another big pupil. Just like that. Now draw facial markings that will make him more owl-like, like this. For a cute look, let's make the body and wings small, like those bobbleheads. And go down into the tail, make it short, and add tiny little feet. A good way to make the body look more 3D is to draw a bit of the other wing. There you go! To be the first to see new Fun2draw videos, subscribe here. And you can watch more cool and cute drawing videos on my channel by clicking here. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you next time.